You don't want to incur surrender charges. So it has to be, when you do a replacement, it has to be a lot better than what you have. Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. My name is John Stevenson, and today we're going to be talking about replacements, specifically for SPIA contracts. I had a gentleman call me the other day, and he had a SPIA he bought last year, and he noticed on my website that there were other annuities paying out more, and he was like, can I surrender my contract? And I said, no, you can't. Once you purchase a SPIA, there is no cash value. You have income for the rest of your life if that's what you chose, and there's great contracts out there, and I can sell you those, but you have to realize you cannot cancel them, you cannot replace them. He was kind of bummed out because the income that he could have gotten with a new one was like $1,000 more a month. He definitely wanted more income, and the rates were higher, but I don't know if he was ever presented with an income rider option or not, but the SPIA he was getting was just not giving him the highest amount of income. So he couldn't cancel it. Think twice before you buy a SPIA. So you have to realize that it is irrevocable contract. You cannot change it, okay? You cannot change the date. When you take income, you cannot cancel it, okay? You can't surrender it. With an income rider, though, you can. So let's say you purchase an income rider. It gives you a lifetime income, just like a SPIA. And then let's say a couple years down the road, you're like, I want to cancel it for whatever reason. Well, you can cancel it, and you can take whatever is left in the cash value out as well. And sometimes people will replace them, and they'll replace them with another more superior annuity contract that gives them a 10% premium bonus on the money they lost from surrender charges. So there's a lot more you can do with an income rider. When there's surrender charges, you got to just tread softly, because usually you don't want to do that. You don't want to incur surrender charges. So it has to be, when you do a replacement, it has to be a lot better than what you have. And the advisor that's advising you better be doing that. Okay, that's so important. A lot of people will just churn these accounts, and they'll just do replacement after replacement with their same clients, and they should never do that. You should always show your clients the best possible option so that reduces the need to ever replace it again. So that's what I do. I show all of the annuity options on my website, johnstevenson.com. If you want to go check it out, go to johnstevenson.com. You'll see all of the income riders. You'll see the SPIAs, DIAs, QLACs, MIGAs if you're looking for a fixed rate. Whatever you're looking for, it's on there. And then whenever you're ready to book a call, there's a link there on the website as well. So otherwise, there's a link below this video. You can book a call with me as well. So anyways, you see that there is a lake behind me. That is beautiful Lake Tahoe. And we are at the south end of the lake. In fact, if you look way over there, you probably see the mountains. That's the Heavenly Ski Resort that I like to take my kids on. At least one of the resorts that I like to take them on. And today it's actually warm. So it's very beautiful out. And I wanted to give you a little snapshot of kind of what it looks like out here. So it's kind of windy. So I'm sitting next to this tree trying to do this so you can actually hear me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it has hopefully given you some value. So if you are thinking about buying a SPIA, there's nothing wrong with a SPIA. SPIAs and DIAs are just the same contract, they're just deferred. They are great, and they have their place for sure. They can do certain things that income riders cannot. But if you're looking for highest lifetime income and you're looking for highest flexibility, the income rider is the way to go. Anyways, hopefully you got that from the video, and hopefully that's given you a little bit more clarity on what you should do moving forward. So anyways, hope this is helpful. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share. If you have questions, comments, make sure you do, put them below, and I'll be sure to answer them. So again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.